Last question 51. The causative organism of leprosy is A. Virus, B. Schistoma, C. Salmonella, D. Plasmodium, and E. Mycobacterium. Now, leprosy, like we know, is caused by bacteria. A bacteria causes what? Leprosy. Now, before you can either ascertain the causes and causative organism of a disease, you should know the class of pathogens that causes that particular disease. Then it will be possible for you to remember the particular causative organism. Now, it is known that leprosy is caused by bacteria. Then the causative organism of leprosy is what we call the mycobacterium, mycobacterium leprae. Now, this is the causative organism for of leprosy, mycobacterium leprae. Virus here do not cause leprosy. Virus causes disease like HIV/AIDS, like influenza. Your common cold is caused by virus. Influenza is caused by virus. HIV. Now, schistoma here is not a correct spelling of this microorganism. The microorganism is known as schistosoma. I know they put this there to convince most students. It's called schistosoma. Now, schistosoma is a microorganism that causes schistosomiasis. They can also refer to it as biliary worm. So it causes schistosomiasis. Now, Salmonella also is not the correct spelling or correct way of writing this microorganism. It is known as Salmonella. Now, Salmonella is is a bacteria that causes that causes typhoid. That Salmonella typhi. It causes typhoid. Now, Plasmodium is a protozoa. It's a protozoa, and Plasmodium causes malaria. Then option E says Mycobacterium. Now, Mycobacterium is the causative organism of leprosy. Mycobacterium leprae, thereby making E valid and the correct answer to this question. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos.